Since January 2025, so all banks and payment providers in Europe must be able to receive instant payments, which means in less than 10 seconds, and this every day of the year. They must also be able to send them, I think like starting now, like October 2025. So what does it mean, and what is like essentially the impact on the end users, which would be like businesses and customers, etc.?
I think so for customers, so individuals and businesses, it's a major change. It has accelerated payments drastically. Before, it used to take 1, 2, 3 days to send and receive a SEPA payment. Now it's taking 10 seconds, meaning your salary gets paid faster, your insurance claims get paid faster. You can also pay your own rent later because it takes less time to arrive on your landlord account. There is much less idle cash or cash sitting somewhere between banks and the payment networks. Cash is either on your account or on your counterparty accounts.
Mm-hmm.
What it has changed for payment service providers and banks at large is that they've had to go from a Monday 9 a.m., Friday 5 p.m. ways of operating to a 24/7 ways of operating. Their core banking system, so the core system used by banks to hold customer accounts, manage accounting and reporting, are not real time. They were typically not operating outside of business hours and branch hours. If you wanted to send or receive payment outside of business hours, you could not. Your account balance would not change. And they've had to completely revamp their systems to go from batch-based systems to real-time systems. And it applies to core banking systems, the ledgers and the accounting, but also, of course, to payment systems, just like what we are building at Mandon Payments.